What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today I'm going to take you on location to one of my favorite parks in Ohio, and we're going to get some landscape photos with the brand new Canon EOS R5. So I'll be going over the settings I use, the lens choice, and also composition tips. So if you guys are ready, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications so you guys are notified when I bring out new videos, and now let's begin the adventure. Alright, so we made it. It is currently 6:48 a.m. and it is only 38 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So it's a little cold, but this is probably one of my favorite parks in Ohio. It has a really nice red barn and a really nice field that leads to it, so I'm really excited. The conditions aren't the best right now. Pretty clear out. Actually, there are no clouds at all. There is a little fog hanging in the trees behind the barn, so that should be pretty interesting, and the sun rises right behind it, so sunrise is at 7:11, so let's get all the gear and start heading out. So unfortunately our fog is fading away, but I think we're still going to try to add these goldenrods in the foreground and then the barn in the background. So let's set up and let's try out this new Canon R5. And there it is, Canon R5. I'm going to try to use the 24-70 RF, but if not, I do have the 16-35 attached to here. So of course for the composition, unfortunately there are no clouds in the sky, so there's no interest in the sky. So I think this is going to be really nice though. We're going to be focusing a lot more on the foreground, which is these beautiful field of goldenrods. The sun will be rising about right there above that tree right there. I can see it, the camera can't. And then of course the barn is in the right third corner, giving it a really nice composition of a field to the barn. And I'm doing bracketing. So I am doing one stop under, one stop above. So we have the sun coming up right here. It's having this really nice star effect with this longer shutter speed. So I'm at 1/6 f/18 and ISO 100, 2-second timer, and focusing on the barn. So I think it's important to keep in mind that not every morning you're going to get an incredible dramatic sunrise. Like today, we have no clouds, but we're very lucky that the foreground is beautiful with these goldenrods, and it's really helping us out with this composition. So we have this really nice golden light coming through, and we're going to take a few more photos here. My settings have changed a little bit as I'm compensating for the light that's coming out. So I'm at 1/8 f/18 and ISO 100. We're going to try really quick a vertical version just so we can get more of these goldenrods in the foreground. So I'm really liking this vertical composition right here. We are getting a lot more goldenrods in the foreground. There we go. Nice sun flare, beautiful golden light happening. So I normally shoot pretty wide with my 16-35, but today I'm finding that my 24-70 RF lens is doing a really great job with being wide enough, and it's really compressing the foreground and the background together to make it really nice and compressed together. Keep in mind that the Canon R5 is 45 megapixels, so I'm super excited to get this on my computer and look at these images. Canon really did an incredible job with this camera. I'm so happy to have it, and everything about it is just fantastic so far. So my hands are absolutely freezing. The light is coming up pretty harsh now, and I think I'm super happy with the photos we got. I can't wait to show you guys in this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but let's pack up and head back to the car. there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below with any questions. I'll be bringing out a ton more videos with the Canon R5 and a lot more on-location landscape photography videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video.